CTEM Budget Battle 9 Steps to Win in 2025. Is your organization ready to defend against cyber threats in 2025? Getting budget approval for CTEM might be the hardest part. Welcome back to the Encryption Edge. Let's dive into securing that all-important budget for CTEM. Step 1. Alright, let's cut to the chase. Forget the tech jargon and scare tactics. Connect with the people who hold the purse strings. They speak the language of business risk. Paint a picture of how CTEM safeguards the company's bottom line. Talk about protecting revenue streams and maintaining brand reputation. Show them how CTEM aligns with their strategic goals. It's about ensuring the company can keep its promises. Focus on how CTEM contributes to the overall health and resilience of the business. Step 2. Let's face it, nobody gets excited about spending money, especially on something they might see as an extra. Position CTEM as an investment that saves money in the long run. A successful cyber attack can lead to hefty fines, costly downtime, and a PR nightmare. CTEM helps mitigate these risks, potentially saving a fortune. A robust CTEM program can lower cyber insurance premiums. Show them the ROI, and cybersecurity becomes a strategic financial decision. Step 3. Remember that big company that made headlines last month because they got hacked? You know, the one that's in the same industry with a similar business model? That's why CTEM is a need to have. Use real-world examples that resonate with your organization. Highlight the financial and reputational damage. Step 4. Our own backyard. Learning from experience. Look, I get it. Nobody likes to air their dirty laundry. But sometimes you need to remind people that your organization isn't immune to cyber threats. Use data from past security incidents to build your case. Highlight existing vulnerabilities and past incidents. Show them that threats are already knocking at the door. This makes your case for CTEM much more tangible and urgent. Step 5. CTEM, making the most of what we have. Let's be honest, nobody wants to hear about shiny new tools when the budget is tight. Explain how CTEM complements and enhances your existing security investments. Show how CTEM integrates with your current security tools for a comprehensive approach. Remember that fancy endpoint detection solution you implemented last year? CTEM leverages its data to identify and prioritize emerging threats. Highlighting integration and optimization shows CTEM maximizes existing resources. Step 6. Don't get left behind. CTEM is the future. The cybersecurity landscape is changing faster than ever. Proactive security is the new norm. Industry leaders are embracing CTEM to stay ahead. Industry reports and regulations emphasize CTEM's importance. CTEM positions your organization as an industry leader. Don't be the last one on the dance floor. CTEM is advocating for the company's future in evolving cyber threats. Step 7. Don't just throw a single CTEM solution at the decision makers. Present a well-researched comparison of different options. Show that you've done your homework. Compare features, costs, and benefits. Explain why your chosen solution fits best. Step 8. CTEM isn't just about technology, it's about people too. Skilled professionals are essential for analyzing threats and managing vulnerabilities. Address personnel needs upfront. Train existing staff or hire new talent. Partner with managed security services to bridge skills gaps. Dedicated resources ensure CTEM success. Outline roles and responsibilities. Emphasize collaboration between security, IT, and business stakeholders. Step 9. Capture attention, demonstrate value, address concerns. Seal the deal with a clear, actionable plan. Set measurable success metrics. When will ROI start? Measure CTEM effectiveness. A well-defined plan instills confidence. Thanks for watching. Prioritizing CTEM is an investment in your company's resilience. Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay ahead with the Encryption Edge. Until next time, stay secure.